Hey guys, I am so happy to be putting this video out. I have been working all week to figure out why my computer is not uploading the videos really good. It would be like slow motion and then the voice would be regular. And I'm like, what is going on? So welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time and I'm so sorry for that. I have really been trying everything. I got a brand new laptop, everything trying to get this video out. But this last weekend we had a lot of fun. Eric and Logan raced. You'll see that in the video, which was pretty cool. I'd like to get more of that, of our friends racing and stuff like that in this summer when it gets a lot nicer out. And then we got the test hits from the race truck, which was really cool. And well, me and Eric definitely went for a ride. So I hope you guys like the vlog, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up.
All right, we're here in the Ditzler wagon. Why don't you tell us what you did to this thing, Logan?
It's got an A-Dog Stage 3, 190 injectors, O3 turbo, got a Thumper H-pop in her, running on a canned hot tune right now. Stock trans, hopefully we don't really blow that up. Brand new oil cooler, a bunch of other shit, studded the heads, just had it all apart, brand new heads, everything. Here we go.
Woo, doggy! That was about 200 mile an hour right there.
Yeah.
Logan and Eric with his 6L, his work truck over here. I guess we're gonna go see who's going to win. I wasn't there for the interview to see what's done to Logan's truck, so I'm not sure what's gonna happen. But if I would have money on it, I would bet on Eric. But I still love Logan, but I definitely bet on Eric. So let's go see what these boys can pull out.
Right.
Oh yeah, that was what that is, Logan, behind him.
Yeah, I was gonna say. Get in. Good job, Logan! Oh, how you feel, Eric? That was a good race, though.
Yeah, you definitely launched way harder. You wanted on the launch.
Yeah, but like I said, I think Logan was scared, and he's not used to.
Yeah, Logan was all weirded out.
Yeah, but you're used to that. He's not.
I wonder if Logan's more boned up now. Is he like excited?
Oh, he's like, I almost had you. It's like, yeah, you did. You were right with me.
Was he?
No, he wasn't.
I couldn't
even see him.
I couldn't see.
No, he was at least good 2 car lengths.
I couldn't see
behind.
shit after.
But his car really. His truck really did good. I think so for Logan's.
Logan, if you'd have launched it harder, you definitely would have had more return.
You did good though. I was very impressed.
I didn't put it in 4-wheel drive. I just realized that on the way back.
Why would you not put it in 4-wheel drive?
I forgot to put it in 4-wheel. I gotta work on my boosted launches.
Yeah. Eric's good at those. But it was good. It's a fun race.
I feel like I-
We're the 6-4 and we're gonna take test hit. It's my first time in here and I'm not too excited. I got one a crate. Okay, Tyler! That's all.
Hey guys, what's going on? We're here in the crew cab, 6-7, heading down to Eric's dad's shop after the little race action that we got on film. But I'm not sure if we're going to be able to show you because something's goofy going on between our GoPro and the computer and whatnot. We're just having issues, so bear with us. But anyway, after that race that Eric participated in against Logan, a friend of ours, about an hour later I got a call from Eric saying that he needed towed. Turns out the stock turbo was not enjoying life with the 330 150 injectors that he's got in that bad boy, and from what he's telling me, the shaft snapped in half and the exhaust wheel is just flopping around in the turbo. So we're going down to give him a hand, trying to get this bad boy back together. Yeah, got the new turbo on it.
I just put this in here because Morphin was bringing it.
He's over there filling it up with Turkey Hill iced tea. How about it, Eric? Ready to hear this donkey turd fire up? Love me some green tea.
That couch stinks.
What do you think?
Excited.
Yep, that's the old one.
Look at the fins on the intakes of it.
I'd say she's toasted. Yeah, even the compressor fins are chewed up. No, his fuel pressure gauge should be manual. Oh no, is it? It wasn't plugged in, dude. You're fine, go. Probably got burn all that oil out of your cylinders. So far so good, got the new turbo on. Alright, we're shredding tires. Feels strong.
That's alright. Feels alright.
Yeah, feels good.
It smells like burning.
Got some bark to her. Holy shit. Yeah, I would say it feels pretty freaking good, man.
15-pound bones.
Yeah, it felt real good.
I hope you guys liked the vlog this week. Again, I am so sorry for it being a while since I've posted an actual video, but I do plan on posting one this weekend too. The boys are going to Cecil tomorrow. It's the opening day. It was supposed to be last week, but the weather was really crappy. So we'll see how the truck runs tomorrow. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And thanks, guys. See ya.